Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add income on Bluecoins. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after you open the app, click on that plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and now you can see that we are at the expense section, but you have to click on the income. So here you have to type in the name of income, let's say salary, and you can take a photo if you would like. After that, there is the section where you have to type in the amount of money that you have received. After that, if you would like, you can change the currency, but for now it's okay if I show you in USD. And there is the date and time. Here you can set the exact date and time when you have received your salary. Let's say like this. Okay, after that, at the other section here you can see that was a regular salary, or did you receive a bonus or other type of salary. I don't know. You can type in if you click on the add new category, and here you can set this new category. And after that, there is the wallet section or bank section. Here you can uh, select that in which bank or credit card do you have that salary. Let's say, I don't know, credit card. And after that, you can see that there are other settings, but I guess that if this is a salary, you do not have to use the schedule or labels, but okay, you can check them out, and you can add the notes if you would like. Then if you are all set, click on that green circle at the bottom of the screen, and then you're all set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.